Here in this video, we will show you how to disable two-factor login authentication in WHMCS if you are logged. Sometimes it happens that you have applied two-factor authentication system and now you are logged at this page. Just because of this, you are not able to access your WHMCS admin area. Now, in order to solve this issue and remove two-factor authentication, log in to your cPanel account where you have installed WHMCS and then go to PHP MyAdmin. Now from here, select that database which is used by WHMCS. If you don't know, then you can check this from configuration.php file in your WHMCS installation folder. Now from here, click over SQL, enter the query and then click over Go button. As soon as you run this query, you will be able to remove two-factor authentication by two methods. Now there are two options for you to disable two-factor authentication. The first one is for a particular user and the second one is for all the users. If you run this query, you will be able to remove two-factor authentication for all the users no matter how many admins are there. This is the recommended and the best command to remove everything related to two-factor authentication. Now if you want to remove two-factor authentication only for a specific user, run this query. Here replace admin with the correct admin username for which you would like to remove. Now if you log in to your WHMCS admin dashboard once again, you will find that your problem is now resolved successfully and you are able to access your dashboard flawlessly. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you would like to host your WHMCS website with a reliable hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you.